Now we would have prize distribution for Atfal and Khuddam. I request the organizers to please arrange. Ji.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So, as it is our tradition that the person who comes to receive the award, please have your topi. And then also, when you receive the award, say Jazakumullah. And for the rest of us, we give this prayer, extend this prayer that Barakallahu lakum, that may Allah bless this award for the recipient. So please, be consistent in that. We will start with the prizes for educational competitions, starting with the Tilawat competition. So for Tilawat competition, the first place winner is Raza Darsa from Majlis Muqami. After this is Nazm. For Nazm competition, the first position goes to Waqar Ahmed Sahib of Western Ontario. Barakallahu lakum. Next is AMSA quiz. University of Toronto won this competition, so I'm requesting the team to come up on the stage and receive their award. Barakallahu lakum. Next is English speech. Tahir Mazhar Sahib, Majlis Muqami, first place. Urdu speech, Naveed Anjum Sahib, Majlis Muqami. Barakallahu lakum. Tahir Mazhar Sahib, English speech. Barakallahu lakum. So next is Naveed Anjum Sahib. He has multiple prizes, so we'd request him to receive all. So Urdu speech, first position, impromptu speech, Urdu, first position, and also presentation competition, first position. Naveed Anjum Sahib from Majlis Muqami. Barakallahu lakum. Next is French speech. Faraz Rajput Sahib from Eastern Canada, first position. Memory observation, Sayyid Qasid Saleh Sahib from Majlis Muqami, first place. Barakallahu lakum. Message relay, Calgary, team captain Atif Chaudhry Sahib, requesting him to come on the stage to receive the award. Barakallahu lakum. Memory observation, Sayyid Qasid Saleh Sahib, Majlis Muqami. Message relay, Calgary. Please come up on the stage. Smartest Khadim, Luqman Mia Sahib of Halton, Niagara. He was able to successfully defend his title this year as well. Smartest Khadim, Luqman Mia Sahib, Halton. Next is impromptu speech, English. The winner is Hafiz Munsif Inam Sahib of Simcoe region. Next is Bath Bazi, Mississauga region, Talal Ahmed Sahib and Ataul Fakhir Sahib, first position. Luqman Mia Sahib, smartest Khadim. Barakallahu lakum. Impromptu English speech, Hafiz Munsif Inam Sahib, Bath Bazi, Mississauga. Friday sermon quiz, Hafiz Rayan Mia Sahib of Prairies. Barakallahu lakum. Bath Bazi. After English impromptu, Bath Bazi. Impromptu English or Urdu? Urdu we've already given to Naveed Saab, so we can. Sorry. So Bath Bazi is Mississauga, Talal Ahmed Sahib and Ataul Fakhir Sahib. Barakallahu lakum. Barakallahu lakum. Friday sermon quiz, Hafiz Rayan Mia Sahib, Pareris region. Book quiz, Ibrahim Ahmed Sahib of Western Ontario. Azan, next competition is Azan, Sajid Ahmed Sahib from Western Ontario. Barakallahu lakum. Hifz-e-Adiya, Jalis Ahmed Sahib, GTA East. Barakallahu lakum. Azan, Sajid Ahmed Sahib, Western Ontario, and Hifz-e-Adiya, Jalis Ahmed Sahib, GTA East. Barakallahu lakum. Next competition was a new edition this year, Hifz-e-Ilhamat. The winner is Hafiz Wajiullah Khan Sahib of Majlis Muqami. If he's not here, if Motamim Sahib Muqami or Regional Nazim Sahib could receive the award. Motamim Sahib Muqami is here. Next is also a new competition, Quran Quest. The winner is Ayun Basharat Sahib of Western Ontario. Barakallahu lakum. Quran Quest, Ayun Basharat Sahib, Western Ontario. Next is Hifz-e-Ahadith, Jalis Ahmed Sahib, GTA East. Hifz-e-Quran, Akil Bhatt Sahib, Western Ontario. Poster competition, Ibrahim Ahmed Sahib, Western Ontario. Barakallahu lakum. Akil Bhatt Sahib, Hifz-e-Quran, poster competition, Ibrahim Ahmed Sahib, Western Ontario. Next we have Best AMSA Awards. So Best AMSA University is York University, and also another award for Best AMSA University is University of Windsor. Best AMSA Awards, Best AMSA University, York University, and University of Windsor. Barakallahu lakum. Best AMSA High Schools, Best AMSA High School, Tommy Douglas Secondary School, and Best AMSA High School also is Emory College Institute. Barakallahu lakum. Tommy Douglas. So this is University of Windsor. Oh, sorry, this is Emory. Emory. Are they coming? We also have special needs prizes. I'm requesting Ahan Jakaria Sahib, Rana Fateh Ahmed, Rana Salar Ahmed, Michael Kaza, and Zishan Tahir Saab to receive these awards, please. These are Atfal and Khudam. Ahan Jakaria Sahib, Rana Fateh Ahmed, Rana Salar Ahmed, Michael Kaza, and Zishan Tahir Saab. Barakallahu lakum. Barakallahu lakum. Next we have Ramadan challenge. So this is a challenge that is given to Khuddam every year during Ramadan, where Khuddam have to complete certain challenges, including complete recitation of the Holy Quran, attending durus, fasting, offering tahajjud regularly, so on and so forth. So this year we had the top three positions I have. I would request Khubaib Khan Sahib from Majlis Durham East for his third position to receive his award. Anas Farooq Sahib from Majlis Muqami is second, he's not here. And the first Khadim has requested not to disclose his name, he's from Majlis Muqami. Barakallahu lakum. Ramadan challenge. Sir, for educational competitions, we have three special awards. One is for Best Khadim, Best Majlis, and Best Region. The Best Khadim award goes to Naveed Anjum Sahib from Majlis Muqami. Second year in a row, mashallah. Barakallahu lakum. Best Majlis, Majlis Muqami. I'm requesting Motim Sa Muqami to receive this award, Best Majlis for educational competitions. Best Region for educational competitions is GTA East. I'm requesting Regional Qaid Sahib to receive the award. Barakallahu lakum.
नाराए तकबीर खिलाफत अहमदिया मजलिस खुदामुल अहमदिया कनाडा नाराए तकबीर.
Next is sports competitions, Amir Sahab. So the first award we have is for basketball 5-on-5, Western Brampton. Western Brampton region first in basketball, followed by volleyball, Majlis Muqami, hockey, Majlis Muqami, soccer, Calgary, basketball, Western Brampton first. I'm requesting for these team awards for the captain and also the regional Qaid Sahib to come on the stage and receive the award. So once again, basketball, Western Brampton, regional Qaid Sahib and the captain of the team. Barakallahu lakum. Volleyball, Majlis Muqami, captain and Motim Sa Muqami. Hockey, also Majlis Muqami, captain and Motim Sa Muqami. Barakallahu lakum. Soccer? Soccer, Calgary. Barakallahu lakum. Tug of War, GTA East, Regional Qaid Sahib and Captain. Cricket, GTA Center, Qaid Sahib and Captain. Tug of War, GTA East, Cricket, GTA Center. Relay race, Majlis Muqami, the captain and regional Motim Sa Muqami. So this is Tug of War, GTA East, Cricket, GTA Center. Relay race is next. Majlis Muqami. 100-meter race. Barakallahu lakum. Relay race. Majlis Muqami. Next is individual sports competitions. 100-meter race, Amanullah Bhatti Sahib, Western Ontario. Shot put, Ali Hassan Sahib, Western Ontario. Javelin throw, Aleem Ahmed Sahib, Western Ontario. Slow cycling, Huzaifa Khan Sahib, Western Ontario. Hundred-meter race, Amanullah. Barakallahu lakum. Shot put, Ali Hassan Sahib, Western Ontario. Barakallahu lakum. Javelin throw, Aleem Ahmed Sahib, Western Ontario. Barakallahu lakum. Slow cycling, Huzaifa Khan Sahib, Western Ontario. Next is arm wrestling. Haris Waheed Khan Sahib, GTA Center, and Hashim Waleed Khan Sahib, GTA East. Sorry, both are GTA East. Haris Waheed Khan Sahib and Hashim Waleed Khan Sahib. GTA East. Arm wrestling. Push-up challenge, Shehzad Ahmed Sahib of Calgary. Arm wrestling, Barakallahu lakum. Next is push-up challenge, Shehzad Ahmed Sahib of Calgary. Barakallahu lakum. Strong man competition under 200 pounds. Guman Ahmed, Halton Niagara, Guman Ahmed. Sorry if I've mispronounced the name. Guman Ahmed. And strongman over 200 pounds, Yasir Mahmood Sahib of Halton Niagara. Both strong men are from Halton Niagara. Sorry, it's Ghulam Ahmed Sahib. Barakallahu lakum. Yasir Mahmood Sahib. Barakallahu lakum. Next is duathlon. This was the first time this competition was added to the Ijtima. It's a combination of cycling and followed by running. So there were two courses. Short course, Amir Mahmood Sahib of Jamia Majlis Muqami, first position. So the short course comprised 12 kilometers of biking followed by 3 kilometers of running. And the long course comprised 24 kilometers of cycling followed by 5 kilometers of running by the same athlete. Barakallahu lakum. The first position for long course is Amir Mahmood Rana from Majlis, from Simcoe region.
Barakallahu lakum.
The last prize is the MVP for the Ijtima sports competitions, which is Shazil Bhatti Sahib of British Columbia. Shazil Bhatti Sahib, MVP for the sports competition at National Ijtima 2025. Barakallahu lakum. Regional Kaitsa will receive the award. Sorry.
नारे तकबीर
Barakallahu lakum.
खिलाफत अहमदिया इन्नी माँ का
Now we will be awarding Atfal competitions. It will be presented by the Atfal team.
Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah. Now I will call the names of the Atfal who got first position in the education competitions. So the first Meare Sagir Group 1, Arham Ahmed from British Columbia got first position in Urdu speech. Faris Mia from Eastern Canada got first position in French speech. Okay. If the Faris is not here, so I will request their regional Nazim or local Nazim to please come over here and receive the award. Barakallahu alaikum. Huzaifa Rahil Qureshi from Simcoe got first position in Hifz Hadith. Muiz Ahmed from Western Canada got first position in Nazm competition. Then Ruman Mia from Western Canada got first position in Hifz Quran. Barakallahu lakum. Then Shayan Ghalib from Halton, Niagara got first position in Hifz Adiya and Qasida. He has 2 awards. Shayan Ghalib from Halton, Niagara. Barakallahu lakum. Shayan Malik from Majlis Mukami got first position in Azan competition. Then Umair Ahmed Zafar from GDS Center got first position in observation and memory.
नारे तकबीर मजलिस अतफाल अहमदिया कनाडा मजलिस खुदामुल अहमदिया कनाडा
Barakallahu lakum.
गुलाम अहमद की नारे तकबीर
Then Waliullah Khan Taimur from Eastern Canada got first position in Tilawat. Now Meare Sagir Group 2. Basil Shehzad from Eastern Brampton got first position in English speech. Hashim Ahmed from GTA East got first position in Nazm. Then Akilur Rahman from GTA East got first position in Azan and Tilawat. So he has 2 first prizes. Then Mikhail Ali Mehmed from Halton, Niagara got first position in Qasida and Hifz Hadith. So Mikhail Alim has 2 awards. Mamoon Ahmed from Majlis Mukami got first position in Hifz Adiya.
नारे तकबीर गुलाम अहमद की मजलिस खुदामुल अहमदिया कनाडा
It has 2. Tilawat and Qasida. Then Malik Alim Ahmed from Halton, Niagara. Qasida and Hifz Hadith. Malik Alim Ahmed. Qasida and Hifz Hadith. मामून का हिफ्ज़ अदिया. Then Mamoon Ahmed from Majlis Mukami, हिफ्ज़ अदिया. Mohammad Saleh, Eastern Brampton, first position in French speech. Muhammad Saleh from Eastern Brampton. Then Shayan Ahmed Asfan from Eastern Brampton has first position in Hifz Quran. Then Umair Ahmed from GDS Center got first position in Urdu speech. Umair Ahmed from GDS Center, first position in Urdu speech. So now Mayare Kabir. Hashim Shehzad from Eastern Brampton got first position in English speech. He got first position in Urdu speech and French speech. So Hashim Shehzad has 3 awards: English speech, Urdu speech and French speech. Yeah.
नारे तकबीर हजरत मोहम्मद मुस्तफ़ा
Fatim Kanu from Saskatoon.
गुलाम अहमद की मजलिस अतफालुल अहमदिया कनाडा कनाडा नारे तकबीर
Hatim Kanu from Saskatoon got first position in Hifz Hadith. Rihun Shad from Northern Ontario got first position in Qasida. Then Rizwan Malik from Brampton got first position in Observation and Memory. Okay. So I will request to the regional Nazim Atfal or the local Nazim Atfal to please come on the stage if the Tifal is not here, to please receive the award on his behalf. Rohan Shad from Northern Ontario got first position in Tilawat and Nazm. Rohan Shad from Northern Ontario. Then Tehseen Bilal from Halton, Niagara got first position in Hifz Adiya. Then Tanzeel Ahmed from Western Brampton got first position in Azan. Tanzeel Ahmed from Western Brampton got first position in Hifz Quran. Tanzeel Ahmed from Western Brampton. So this concludes the education competition. Now we have sports competitions. So the first Miyare Sagir team competitions. The soccer prize goes to the Majlis Mukami team 1, first prize.
नारे
Basketball
तकबीर
Mukami 1. I will request to the captain of the team and the regional Nazim Atfal to please come on the stage to receive the trophy. Then dodgeball Mukami 2. Dodgeball Mukami 2. Kickball Eastern Ontario. Basketball Mukami 1. Then tug of war Makami 1. Tug of war Makami 1. Makami 1. Barakallahu lakum. Now team competition for Miare Kabir. In soccer, Makami 1. Team Makami 1. I would request to the captain of the team and Jadid Nazim Asfal to please come onto the stage to receive the trophy.
नाराय तकबीर मजलिस खुदामुल अहमदिया कनाडा मजलिस अतफाल अहमदिया कनाडा नाराय तकबीर
Basketball Simcoe. Flag football Mukami 1. Then tug of war Makami 3. Tug of war Makami 3.
नाराय तकबीर हजरत मोहम्मद मुस्तफ़ा हजरत मोहम्मद मुस्तफ़ा गुलाम अहमद की इन्नी माँ का नाराय तकबीर.
So now individual sports. 100-meter race Miare Sagir, first position, Samar Malik from Majlis Mukami. Meter race Miare Kabir, first position, Shahriyar Ahmad Arish from Simcoe.
नाराय तकबीर मजलिस खुदामुल अहमदिया कनाडा मजलिस अतफालुल अहमदिया कनाडा नाराय तकबीर.
So this concludes the sports competitions. Then we have exhibition competitions prizes. So first place, Malik Aleem Ahmed got first position in exhibition from Hamilton Mountain Majlis. Malik Aleem Ahmed from Hamilton Mountain got first position in exhibition. Hasif Bajwa from Majlis Mukami, Halka Woodbridge North got second position in exhibition.
नाराय तकबीर हजरत मोहम्मद मुस्तफ़ा गुलाम अहमद की इस्लाम अहमदियत खिलाफत अहमदिया
Hasif Bajwa from Majlis Mukami.
खिलाफत अहमदिया नाराय तकबीर.
Then Adil Bajwa from Majlis Mukami, Halka Woodbridge North got third place in exhibition. Adil Bajwa from Majlis Muqami. We have few special awards. So most valuable player in Miyare Sagir goes to Majlis Muqami Wajiullah Sheikh from Majlis Muqami.
नाराय तकबीर मजलिस अतफाल अहमदिया कनाडा नाराय तकबीर
Kaisar Ahmad Sharma from Majlis Muqami, most valuable player Miyare Kabir. Kaisar Mubariz Ahmad Sharma, Majlis Muqami. Best Tifal in Education Competitions, Shayan Majlik from Majlis Muqami. Miyare Sagir Bajullah Sheikh. Miyare Sagir Bajullah Sheikh. Bajullah Sheikh, Miyare Sagir Bajullah Sheikh. Okay. Best Tifal in Education Competition, Shayan Malik, Majlis Muqami. Okay. Best Region in Education Competitions, Halton Niagara. Best Region in Educational Competitions, Halton Niagara.
नाराय तकबीर
Best Majlis in Educational Competitions, Majlis Muqami. Then Best Attendance Majlis in Opening Session, Western Northwest GTA Center. Best Attendance Majlis Opening Session, Western Northwest GTA Center. I would request Regional Nazim Atfal to please come on the stage to receive the award. Best Attendance Region in Opening Session, Northern Ontario. Okay, okay. Northern Ontario. Western Northwest. हो गए. Best region has first. Best attendance in Majlis, Best Attendance Majlis Western Islington. I would request to the Regional Nazim Atfal and the Regional Qaid to please come on the stage to receive this award. Best Attendance Region, Western Brampton.
नाराय तकबीर हजरत मोहम्मद मुस्तफ़ा हजरत मोहम्मद मुस्तफ़ा खिलाफत अहमदिया खिलाफत अहमदिया नाराय तकबीर
So this concludes all the prizes. Jazakallah.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. There are some special recognition prizes. I promise it won't be too long. There's one educational prize which was left, which was scavenger hunt. And the first position goes to Anis Ahmed Rana Sahab from GTA Central. Anis Ahmed Rana Sahab from GTA Central. Barakallahu lakum. And we will move on to some special recognition awards to the volunteers who really worked hard to make this Ijtima possible. I will read out the names and we request all those volunteers to please come up on stage and collect their awards. And I request everyone in the audience to please say Barakallahu lakum when they receive the award. I'm reading out the names of the volunteers. Azaz Ahmed Sahab, Murabbi Hafiz Mujib Sahib, इजाज़ चिट्ठा साहिब, जवार अहमद साहिब, दानियाल अमजद साहिब, अब्दुल्ला साहिब, नासिर भट्ट साहिब, आमिर घुमन साहिब। बारकल्लाहु लकुम।
नारे तकबीर। हजरत मोहम्मद मुस्तफ़ा गुलाम अहमद की खिलाफत अहमदिया इन्नी माँ का नारे तकबीर।
Barakallahu lakum. After Amir Guman Sahab, I would request Salik Hanjara Sahab, Danial Mubarak Rana Sahab, Muhammad Nidaun Nasir Sahab, Ataun Nasir Sahab, Numan Sandhu Sahab, Fatir Chaudhry Sahib, Imran Sarwar Sahib, Rauf Bajwa Sahib. Barakallahu lakum. Danial Mubarak Rana Sahib, Muhammad Nidaun Nasir Sahib, Ata Nasir Sahib, Numan Sandhu Sahib, Fatir Chaudhry Sahib, Imran Sarwar Sahib, and Rauf Bajwa Sahib.
नारे तकबीर।
Barakallahu
मजलिस
lakum.
खुदामुल अहमदिया कनाडा, मजलिस अतफालुल अहमदिया कनाडा, नारे तकबीर।
There are awards for best stall. There were three prizes. We are giving away 3 prizes for third, second, and first position. The third prize for the best stall goes to Ataul Hadi Sahab. Second award goes to Ahmed Zakaria Sahab. And the first award for the best stall goes to Danial Ahmed Sahab. Danial Ahmed Sahab.
नारे तकबीर। मजलिस खुदामुल अहमदिया कनाडा, मजलिस खुदामुल अहमदिया कनाडा, नारे तकबीर।
Barakallahu lakum. The next is a special recognition award for a member from Ansarullah who has been quite helpful with the coordination with all these istimat. I request Abrar Mohar Sahab to please come on stage and receive the special recognition award.
नारे तकबीर। मजलिस अंसारुल्लाह कनाडा, नारे तकबीर।
Barakallahu lakum. And now we are acknowledging some regions for their exceptional efforts and support throughout this Ijtima. I would like to request Regional Qaid Sahab GTA Centre, Regional Qaid Sahab Eastern Brampton, Regional Qaid Sahab Western Brampton, and Muhtamim Sahab Majlis Muqami to please come up and receive the award. Regional Qaid Sahab GTA Centre. This award is for the exceptional support throughout the Ijtimaat. Barakallahu lakum. Regional Qaid Sahab Western Brampton, Regional Qaid Sahab Eastern Brampton, and Muhtamim Sahab Majlis Muqami. Barakallahu lakum. Barakallahu lakum. Now we are moving on to the Best Attendance Award. These are the last category of the awards for tonight. By the grace of Allah, all Qaideen and Zoma have put extremely exemplary effort in reaching maximum Khuddam. We will begin with the top Majalis Attendance Award. There are 2 categories for Majalis. For Majalis which Tajneed over 70, third prize goes to Majlis Western South. Majlis Western South, I would request Qaid Sahib Majlis to please come up and receive the award.
नाराय तकबीर हजरत मोहम्मद मुस्तफ़ा हजरत मोहम्मद मुस्तफ़ा
Second prize goes to Majlis
गुलाम
Hamilton
अहमद
Mountain.
की गुलाम अहमद की
And the first prize goes to
Narai
Majlis
Takbir.
Berry North for Tajneed over 70. Qaid Sahib Majlis, Berry North. Next category is Majalis with Tajneed under 70. The third prize goes to Majlis Emery Village. I would request Qaid Sahib Majlis to please come up on the stage and receive the award. The second prize goes to Majlis Mubarak Mosque.
नारे तकबीर
Barakallahu lakum.
हजरत
And the
मोहम्मद
first prize
मुस्तफ़ा
For the Majlis
गुलाम अहमद की
70.
मजलिस खुदामुल अहमदिया कनाडा नारे
Majlis
तकबीर
Gulf from Halton Niagara. Majlis Gulf from Western Ontario. First prize for Majlis with Tajneed under 70. Requesting Qaid Sahib Majlis Gulf. Now the award for best attendance for the region from Western Canada, and this award goes to Regina. Best Majlis from Western Canada region, it goes to Majlis Regina. I'm requesting Qaid Sahib Regina.
नारे तकबीर मजलिस खुदामुल अहमदिया वेस्टर्न कनाडा नारे तकबीर
Regional Qaid Sahib Prairie if he's available. Next award is Best Remote Majlis for the attendance, and this award goes to Majlis Cornwall. Qaid Sahib Cornwall, if you can please come up on the stage and receive the award, please. After this, the next category is the Best Region for the attendance, and the third prize goes to Simcoe region. Barakallahu lakum. Regional Qaid Sahib, Simcoe region, to please come up and receive the award for the best regional attendance, third prize. The second prize for the best regional attendance goes to GTA Center.
नारे तकबीर मजलिस खुदामुल अहमदिया कनाडा मजलिस खुदामुल अहमदिया कनाडा नारे तकबीर
Simcoe region receiving the third prize for the best attendance region. GTA Center, second best for the attendance region, and the first prize for the best attendance goes to Northern Ontario region.
नारे तकबीर मजलिस खुदामुल अहमदिया नॉर्दर्न ओंटारियो नारे तकबीर
Barakallahu lakum. Next, we have special recognition for 100% attendance award. 100% attendance. These two Halka Jat, they were able to get 100% attendance in the Ijtama. I would request Zaim Saab, Peace Village West and Peace Village Center East to please come and receive the award. Barakallahu lakum.
नारे तकबीर मजलिस खुदामुल अहमदिया कनाडा पीस विलेज नारे तकबीर
Barakallahu lakum. And lastly, this year's Best Majlis Attendance Award, by gathering 1,098 Khuddam at National Ijtama, this award goes to Majlis Muqami. Barakallahu lakum. In Islamic tradition,
नारे
we do not
तकबीर
clap. We say Barakallahu
मजलिस
lakum.
खुदामुल अहमदिया मुकामी मजलिस खुदामुल अहमदिया मुकामी नाराए तकबीर।
Jazakumullah Amir Sahib, this concludes the award presentation.